Unmasking the Meaning, all about Mudpack. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a very interesting topic to discuss. The phrase, Mudpack. Whether you're a beauty enthusiast or just curious about English phrases, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll have a great understanding of what Mudpack means and how to use it in a sentence. So, let's dive in and unmask the details together. A mudpack is a phrase that we commonly hear in the beauty and skincare world. It refers to a thick paste made from mud, clay, or another similar substance. People apply mudpacks to their faces or bodies with the belief that it has various skin benefits. These benefits can include cleaning pores, reducing oiliness, and providing a soothing effect. Mudpacks are popular in spas, beauty salons, and even for at-home treatments. Now that we know what a mudpack is, let's talk about how to use it in a sentence. Here are a few examples. 1. After a long week of work, I like to relax with a mudpack on my face. 2. The spa offers a variety of treatments, including a detoxifying mudpack. 3. You can make a mudpack at home using natural ingredients like clay and water. In these sentences, mudpack is used as a noun, and it is the main subject being talked about. While we've briefly mentioned the benefits of mudpacks, let's delve a bit deeper. Mudpacks are believed to 1. Cleanse the skin. They help in removing impurities and dead skin cells. 2. Reduce oiliness, especially beneficial for people with oily skin types. 3. Soothe the skin, providing a calming effect, which is great for irritated skin. 4. Improve blood circulation. The process of applying and removing the mudpack can stimulate blood flow. There are various types of mud that can be used in mudpacks, each having its own unique properties. Some of the most popular types include 1. Dead Sea mud, known for its rich mineral content. 2. Bentonite clay, great for detoxifying the skin. 3. Kaolin clay, suitable for sensitive skin. And that's a wrap on mudpacks. We hope this video has helped shed some light on what mudpacks are, their benefits, and how you can use the term in a sentence. Remember, whether you're at a spa or trying out an at-home treatment, mudpacks can be a great addition to your skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. See you in the next video.